Hey, let me show you the 5G test, the speed test of the mobile network on the Realme 12 5G. As you can see here, we've got information that it's actually 5G plus. And just to show you that it's like really 5G, it's actually turned on in the settings. So let's click on the go. And let's see how it goes. So currently we are around 114 megabytes per second, and it is actually the download. And now we are moving for the upload. So the upload is actually really slow. It goes around 3 or 4 megabytes per second. Yeah, so this is actually the result. The download 114, the upload 4.12, and there's also the latency 47. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.